हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और मैं जा रही हूँ कोलकाता के सिटी सेंटर 2 मैक्स विजिट करने के लिए। और मैं वहाँ जाके आपको दिखाऊंगी कि वहाँ के प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे हैं, वहाँ की प्राइस कैसी है, वहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलता है। सो स्टे ट्यून विथ मी। सो वी रीच द मॉल और अभी हम बेसमेंट में हैं। बेसमेंट से हम जा रहे हैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर। शैल शो यू। यहाँ पे सेफ्टी का कितना ध्यान रखा गया है, यू कैन सी हेयर। ओके, अब मैंने सैनिटाइज़र ले लिया है। मूविंग टूवर्ड्स फॉरवर्ड। ओके, so we reached the mall here. See, here are Adidas, Archie's. Archie's is one of my favorite. Then we got Levi's. I am not gonna visit any of these shops right now because first I'll go to my Imagine store. But definitely I'll go to Archie's because this is one of my favorite place. I guess Archie sabhi ka favorite hoga. Look at their bottle collection and the cups. We can come to this watch section also. Look at their watch. They're got an amazing collection. You can visit to Archie shop. See, they are giving 50% discount on each and every product. I mean their selective products. I am just loving this one. Oh my god, I don't know what goes wrong with me when I see something which is with lots of detailing. I just love that thing. You got a very beautiful collection. Look at here. Okay, I'll tell you, this Archie's is in City Center 2, City Center 2, Kolkata. Now we are out. I guess मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी clear नहीं आएगी because यहाँ पे already there is lots of sounds. See, this mall looks like this. I can say this is one of my favorite place because it's ये ना बहुत खुला खुला सा है. Rest of the malls which I see ना वो बहुत बंद होता है. So I like this. Sorry, कैमरा घूम गया था, मैंने देखा नहीं, ध्यान नहीं दिया. I'm sorry अगर किसी को ब्लर सा कुछ दिखे पिक्चर्स में. So okay, now I'll go to jewelry shop. Like there is a junk jewelry. I'll go over there और मैं वहाँ से आपको अपडेट करती हूँ. Can you see now I'm at Max? मैंने Max इसलिए विज़िट किया है क्योंकि मैं उन लोगों को कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाना चाहती हूँ जो कि डेली वेयर में कुछ पहनना चाहते हैं, कूल सा, स्मार्ट सा और कंफर्टेबल सा. Wow, look at this shirt. It's gonna be a crop shirt. There's a girl's face over here. With this you can wear a black high waist pant and trust me, you will look damn sexy on that. And the price is also not very high. Just see, it's $6.99 only. Now we come on the second top. This is look like this. I'll show you. It's colorful culture. It's written here. Same. The price it's only $3.99. Look at this. My third personal favorite top is this multicolor. This is only $5.99 and trust me guys, this is like you can wear it at your home, you can go outside, it will give you a damn beautiful look. So मैंने आपको 3 टॉप्स दिखाए. तीनों टॉप्स को आप ब्लैक के संग पेयर कर सकते हैं. इट विल गिव यू अ वेरी डैम गुड लुक. मैं ये अगर इसमें से कुछ परचेज करती हूँ तो मैं आपको पेयर अप करके भी दिखाऊंगी. Look at this dress. This is a long dress. I can say it's below the knee. And I am so loving this dress. But unfortunately, I can't try this because as you know, due to this corona. And the cost of this dress is only $11.99. I guess I will take this dress because actually I'm loving this. And if you're someone who is very much into stoles like me, you can try the stoles. They got a very different color of stoles. Look at this color. Wow, I'm just loving these colors. I'm a very big fan of stoles. And this is only $3.99. I'll show you their jewelry collection. Look at this jewelries. Like, I am not very much into Indian jewelries, so I actually avoid, but I'm loving this one. Look at this. This got 2 leaves. I'll show you the price also. Oh, I guess the price I won't be able to show you. Okay, so at the time of making my video, I just met some people. They're such lovely people. I just love them. And they shopped with 12,000 and they got this mixer and grinder free of cost. So why not once hip hip hooray for them? After making their videos, I bumped into a small ear studs also. I don't know how much it's this. This is almost $2.99, and here you will get this much of earrings. I mean ear studs. Look at this. Wow, they got a lovely collection on this. Oh, this is my favorite color. Look at this, guys. This blue. They got a very beautiful collection of earrings also. Please come and do visit Max, which is in City Center 2, Kolkata. You will love the price. They got a full set of Indian wear also, which got a shalwar, kurta and a chunni, which is only $16.99. Guys, you can just wear it, wash it, and you can wear it forever. Till the time ये फटेगा नहीं, तब तक आप इसको पहन सकते हैं. I have to go to some other places also. So मैं Max का जो भी आपको दिखाना था, मैं यहीं पे इसको स्टॉप करूँगी. फिर भी मैं थोड़ा आपको प्राइजेस इसके दिखा देती हूँ. It will cost $11.99. Look at this. Then this orange. Oh my god, this, I mean peach. Look at this, so floral. They got a very good Indian collection also. They got a Western, Indian, shoes, bags, like कहते हैं ना, what not. गाइज़, मैं ये वीडियो को और ज़्यादा लेंदी नहीं करती हूँ. वीडियो को मैं यहीं ख़त्म करती हूँ और मैं अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से आपसे बताती हूँ. मैक्स के प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, रीज़नेबल होते हैं, अफोर्डेबल होते हैं. सो डू विजिट मैक्स. यहाँ पे आपको इंडियन वेयर, वेस्टर्न वेयर, स्कार्फ, स्टोल, बैग्स, एक्सेसरीज सब कुछ मिलेगा. और हाँ, ये सिर्फ लड़कियों के लिए नहीं, लड़कों के लिए भी यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ अवेलेबल है. सो जब तक कि मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेके नहीं आती हूँ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.